Hi, this is Jake Jones. In this video, I'm going to go over a few traffic sources that convert fantastic when you send them to DIYhomeEnergy.com. I'll also talk about some of the best ways to promote our product and how to pre-sell it to people to really ramp up your conversions and earnings. First off, our product really does convert well and appeal to a wide variety of people. Basically, anyone who wants to lower their energy bills and become more energy independent will be interested in our product. Because of this wide appeal, our product has made some of our top affiliates a lot of money, even when they do more broad media buys or when they have promoted our product to an email list or on a website, not in our specific target markets. But if you really want to get your media buys, search engine optimization, or email lists targeted for very high conversion rates, our product absolutely crushes it when you send traffic from these target markets. Alternative energy, survival and preppers, green living, alternative news, conservative or libertarian political traffic, alternative health, DIY, home improvement, and woodworking traffic, and any niche or traffic source that attracts people who value self-reliance and self-sufficiency. Now, when you promote our product, you can send people straight to our sales page, or you can pre-sell it to them. If you do pre-sell it to them on your website, email list, or web page, remember to pre-sell and not sell. I won't go into depth about the difference because there are many helpful resources out there that do a great job explaining this, but our video sales letter will do all of the selling for you. You just need to warm them up, basically. To do this, you should know some of the benefits of the DIY home energy system. So here are a few benefits that you can touch on in your pre-selling. People can have a professional quality solar panel system and residential wind turbines for a tiny fraction of the cost of what those same solar panels and wind turbines would cost if they purchased them from a solar panel retailer. Families can lower their energy bills and become more energy independent. People can control their own independent power source at home without having to be reliant on a big energy company or our country's aging power grid. People can become more self-reliant and self-sufficient. People will be more prepared for any type of future power outage, power crisis, or if the power grid goes down. And if someone uses the DIY home energy system, they'll be more protected against future power rate increases because they will be able to produce their own free renewable power at home. Now, if you don't know how you want to promote our product yet, here are some suggestions. Like I already touched on, you can pre-sell it to targeted email lists, your website or blog traffic. Or you could do targeted article and content marketing at third-party sites and pre-sell our product to them in those articles. So basically in the articles, you would pre-sell our product to them and then send them straight to our sales page with your affiliate link, of course. And if you are going to target niches or certain traffic sources with your articles and SEO, remember that the target markets and niches I described earlier in this video convert very well. Another great way to promote our product that many of our top affiliates are using is by doing media buying with native advertising, pay-per-click and keyword advertising, sponsored content, etc. And you can also do a combination of these methods and get targeted leads on an email list from media buys, SEO, and content marketing, and then pre-sell our product to them over and over again over time. So I'm going to wrap up this video, but be sure you are signed up on our affiliate email list because I'll send you more free affiliate resources to help you make a lot of money with our affiliate program as my team and I create them for you. Also, be sure to check back at this affiliate resources page once in a while to see if we have added any more tips, tricks, or resources for you. Thanks again for signing up to be a DIYhomeEnergy.com affiliate. My team and I are thrilled to have you, and we look forward to working with you and hearing about all the money you make promoting our product.